Ready?
Okay, so we're going to unpack this drone here, the CX20, and just build it step by step, right, Mark?
Let's do it.
Let's just lay these things out so we can see them all. Check that out.
This is the main body, as you can see. CX20 drone.
Okay, we have the
And this is the remote control. Very nice. Bit like a
Okay,
phantom.
so let's look at the instructions then. User manual. Loading propeller. So I think the first thing to do is get the this thing
Main
out.
body out.
So
Be careful with this.
let's just
It's already opened.
yeah.
Alright. Hope there's no batteries. No chips. Surprisingly not.
Well, not surprisingly, that's what we expect. Okay, so that's that. The propellers are here.
Oh, that's just... Guys, this is like my first proper drone ever. Pretty cool. It's like, I feel like it's not mine because it's like, and it's got LEDs as well. Look.
Loading propeller. Prepare the propeller. The side which has the rotating mark on the propeller should be loaded with the face upward. The side which has the rotating mark.
I'm guessing you put
Right,
the
the rotating mark's here.
And this one on.
On the should be loaded with the face upward. The direction. So we worked this out. The direction of the rotors is actually here on the inside. It's very hard to see.
But look.
So
is it that way? Is that way?
So this one here goes. See, it's moving this direction here. See the arrow there? It's hard to see. That goes there. So you take this off.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Do it yourself with your hands. You need that thing as well. Yeah, just do it yourself.
Once you've got them off, a slight little tug and they're okay. I'll just check that again. That's this way.
I never knew you did that. Were you sure?
There you go.
Ah, I get it. I thought you just left them all. I was like, what?
So we've got the propellers on, and now we're gonna next on it here is to assemble the tripod and fixing antenna. Sorry, I can't speak.
Screw them on or something. Yeah.
So these go.
So the idea is to screw these on here. Wait, that's the wrong way around. This way.
And with that.
What's that?
There we go. That's in now. Okay. So you want to just put those screws in there.
Yep.
Where are the protecting rings?
It doesn't come with it, I think. Or does it? Doesn't come with it?
No protecting rings. That's a bit annoying, actually. So okay, so we can't put protecting rings on. So let's keep going here.
We could order some on offhands.
Yeah. Okay. Right. We're gonna need some batteries. So this is where we find out we don't have batteries.
No, we do.
We need the regular ones.
Yeah.
Let's go get some batteries.
Yeah. There we go. So the remote control's done up with its batteries. It makes a cool sound. And this is the antenna. Very nice. I like this.
Okay, so we have got to charge the battery now. This is the battery. It comes out fairly easily. This is the charger. And you plug the battery into the charger like so. It's a bit fiddly.
Here's another battery.
That's the spare battery. So we got a spare battery as well.
Yep.
Let's
So
just
what's
have a
that? 2,700 milliamps. Oh, they're the same. So the same
Yeah.
batteries, same. What is it? Milliamps? I don't know.
Well, it's the same battery. We
Yeah, same
got it.
battery.
We bought it at the same time.
Yeah.
So we've got that. We're going to charge the battery, and we'll come back later when we're ready to have and go at flying it.
But where are we gonna fly?
Where are we going to fly it?
Can we fly it outside?
Not inside.
Can we fly it outside?
Tonight? Don't know.
Yeah, no, but
Maybe
the
tomorrow.
LEDs.
The LEDs aren't lights, Mark. I mean, they don't. Not lights as in they light
No,
the
but we can
way.
turn the lights out outside for the garden.
It's pitch black outside. It's December 25th. It's Christmas Day. Mark wants to fly his drone, but it'll have to be tomorrow, I think.
Okay, fine.
Let's charge it.
Mark and Dave, out.